Hello guys, this is my bike check. I just got a new bike, as I might have said on my other video. Well, it's pretty nice. It's a Verde Vex 2011 model. And yeah, I got it on my birthday. It's pretty cool. It has, white long neck ODI grips, duo, pedals, duo tires, and a 20T sprocket, and cassette hubs. Yeah, it's probably the loudest hubs out right now. This bike was $400. As you know, the difference between my bike and my new bike is that it doesn't have a gyro. And the pretty cool thing is that you got pegs. That is pretty cool. And the seat is very low, as you see. Anyway, I really like this bike, and it costs about $400 at the most. So yeah, I got it at FC Action Sports on Route 9. Scotty Kramer, his mom sold it to me, so it's pretty cool. See, look right here on the fork, it fades, kind of. It's yeah, you don't have that ring. You don't have to worry about that. It's right there. It's here, actually. So yeah. Anyway, you should get if you really want a good and nice light bike, you gotta get this one. It's pretty light. So yeah, thing's about 18 pounds. Okay, so yeah, subscribe, comment please, or subscribe, whatever works for you. Alright, thank you, bye.